Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by removing active corrosion now. Use a stiff wire brush or 120-220 grit sandpaper to knock off flakes. This exposes clean metal so treatments bond. Once done, wipe the surface with acetone or isopropyl alcohol to remove oils and grit, then dry it completely. Moisture invites rust. Make sure to tape or mask nearby parts you won't treat, and work in a ventilated area while wearing gloves and eye protection. These first steps set the foundation for long-term protection. You now neutralize remaining iron oxide and build adhesion. Apply a rust converter to any dark, stubborn spots. It chemically converts oxide into a stable, paintable surface, so follow the product cure time. After conversion, sand lightly to smooth roughness and remove residue. Wipe clean. Next, apply a metal primer formulated for carbon steel in thin, even coats. This blocks moisture and improves top-coat bonding. Make sure to maintain moderate temperature and low humidity while curing so the layers set properly. You finish by protecting the primer with a durable top coat. Apply 2 to 3 coats of enamel or polyurethane, allowing proper flash time between coats. This creates a flexible, waterproof barrier. Seal seams and cut edges with silicone or seam sealer to prevent undercutting. Once complete, maintain the piece. Inspect annually for chips or pinholes and touch up immediately. If spots reappear, remove rust back to bare metal, spot prime, and recoat. Troubleshooting tip: if persistent rust returns, check for.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.